Nokia 8.1, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select security and location, and go to fingerprint. It's under device security. Here you can set up screen lock, and it has to be the fingerprint has to be with pattern, pin code, or the password, because it will be the backup method to unlock the screen. Let me pick pattern, maybe this one. Tap on next and draw it one more time to confirm. Then decide if you would like to see all notification content once your device is locked, if you would like to hide sensitive one, or if you won't see notifications at all. So let me pick the second option and click on done. Now you have to confirm the pattern that you previously set up. And now it's time to add a fingerprint. Tap on plus, then tap on continue. And over here, if you will turn around your device, here you've got the sensor on which you have to keep tapping in order to add the fingerprint. So click on start, and now keep tapping on this sensor. So let me show you. This is how it is working. Simply keep tapping on it. And that's it. It has been added. Click on done to finish the whole process. And from now on you will be able to unlock your Nokia simply by tapping, by using this fingerprint. So let me lock it, then just tap on the sensor, and now you can use your device as usually. So that's it. This is how you can add fingerprint to your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.